Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to say my brother, my mother, my father, my dog, and my cat. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
Abuti, how do we say my father in Setswana?
Re wame.
Rawame!
How do we say my mother in Setswana?
Me wame.
Mewame!
Now, how do we say my cat in Setswana?
Katsi yame.
Katiyame!
And how do we say my dog in Setswana?
Ntswa yame.
Mtwayame!
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When you say my brother, my father, my mother, you use wa. And when you say my dog and my cat, you use ya. So when we say Abuti wame, we're actually saying brother of mine. The wa means of. And the me in this context means mine. So when we say ntswa yame, we're saying dog of mine. The ya, once again, in this context means of. Dog of mine. Now let's practice this some more. Abuti, how do we say my brother in Setswana?
Abuti wame.
Abuti wame!
And now you understand a little bit better when talking about possession in Setswana. Goodbye, Abuti. See you next time.
Sala Sinclair.
Samaya Sinke!